And if I just see the traffic and I send it to the repeater, and let's just see what happened. So this is the request. This is the username, this is the password, and this is the user ID, and this is the admin equal to false, right? So it will be logged in us. But what if we manipulate the admin parameter in the cookie and just send it? Alright, so I think we need to like restart this process, like the process of login. And so I re-log in again with a different CSRF token. So it might be logged in as admin. So what I'm gonna do is I just log out from here, and I just try to log in again using the username as guest and password as Tuesday, and I just go over here and intercept the request, and this is the post request. Okay, and I just manipulate this. Alright, so we have our another flag, and so okay, so it says that this is the Slack URL that is used for the contact previously contact page. Like if a user get to the contact page and submit any query, it will be going to this particular Slack URL, right? And this is the channel of the Slack, and so it says that token of the Slack is expired, right? So let's look what we can do over here. So if we just go to the home page, let's see what we have. It says that guest user cannot edit pages, but we can see it from here. Alright, so we have this home page, and there is nothing interesting over here. But if we just go to the new contact page, let's look what in it, and we'll just alright, so okay, so there is two comments over here. One is that we have dropped Slack for receiving contact messages for the website, and we are only going to use it for the company communications only, right? And the second one is this will now send an email to ticket star ticket and then a string @vulnLtd.co.uk, which will create a support ticket with which links in with our support desk app. Okay, so it means that this particular email, this one, this email will be now used for the contact messages and like contact query for users, and this email will be used for the support ticket for the company, right? Like it will generate a support ticket. So what we're gonna do is we just go and I just go and email to it. Alright, so I just send a like ticket to this particular email, and I will say that this is test and this is test, right? And I just click send. Let's see what happened. So according to the challenge logic, we should get another, like we should get the reply of this ticket generation that we have like generated the ticket recently. Alright, so we have received the support ticket created email, and along with the flag, and it says that your support ticket so it says that your support ticket has been created and you can view it at this particular URL, right? So I just copy it and paste it over here. Let's see what happened. Okay, so one thing you should notice that this is another subdomain. This is not the part of actual subdomain. This is like not the main domain. This is another subdomain which is support, right? So keep in mind that. Alright, so it shows it shows all of us our tickets in this particular area, and we have we can update the support ticket anytime by email email at this point. So this is the email for our support ticket for this company. So if any person email to this particular email, it will be shown over here, right? So what we're gonna do is we'll just test it from here, and I just go over here and compose another email and subject test, and this is support email test, and I click send. So we should get over that email messages over here. So I just don't receive it. Okay, so I just receive it. It says that we get from here, and this is the time. If I just see it says that this is test, right? No, okay, sorry. Now I receive it. So if I just go over here, okay, so this is the email that I got. Sorry, so this is the real email that I got. It takes some time, but it will be happen. And so now what we're gonna do is we will just use this particular email for log into the Slack URL, right? This particular Slack domain, this is the company Slack domain. Okay, so I just paste it over here and sign in with email. So it is asking for a 6-character code, like the typical confirmation of the email. Alright, so we have received the email from the Slack, and we'll just see the token from here, and it's look like there is an account on VulnLtd. Try to this. You can always, is this right email? You can always try again and find workspace, or try a different email. No, I am using the right email. Why I shouldn't get? I think I should get OTP for that. Alright, so let's try again. I hope it will happen without an error. Alright, so I'm sorry. So I'm just logging it, and I think that I'm creating an account. So we need to create an account first, then sign up, then sign in. Sorry. So I need to create an account first and then sign in the process, right? So I need to confirm. So I confirm it from this side. This is the email for confirmation, and I just go click and alright, so hacker continue. Alright, so now I have joined the company Slack server. I hope I joined it without an error. Alright, finally. Okay, so finally we have joined the company Slack you can Slack team, and we can see all the messages over here, all the users over here. And so what I'm gonna do is this is another flag for the challenge, and so there is nothing interesting in it, but if you look this message of the admin, it says that I think the routers are broken, and can someone log in and fix it. Alright, so I just copy it and paste it over here, and let's see what happened in this invalid or missing server variable in query string. Alright, so let's forget about this, and I just paste it over here. So alright, so now I have this router login page provided by the Peerly, some kind of Peerly, if I pronounce it clearly. And so I have this router login page, and let's just see the default password and default credential for this login. And so I searched it, and I found this list of the default credentials, and I just try some basic like admin, and then the admin as username and password as micro business, right? So admin and micro business. Alright, so we have logged in successfully, and we have our another flag over here, and just see the what will we get from here, and there's nothing interesting in it. Okay, so it is downloading some kind of file over here, and okay, I just open it, download. Okay, there is some base 64 encoded, so base 64 encoded file. Okay, so we get some kind of credentials, I hope, and this is another flag, there is another flag, this, and okay, so let's beautify it in order to read it properly. Alright, so now we have username, password for DHCP, internal IP, some kind of, and then maintenance username and the maintenance password, maintenance server, admin user, and admin password. Okay, and then there is another root directory, another directory which is intranet, right? So let's say it. What will we get from the intranet? It asks for username, password. Okay, so we have the username and password, and the password as this. All right, so it says private intranet login to files. Okay, so file down, please supply a password to get the file first. So I just supply the password. Okay, it says that intranet index.php home HTML. Okay, so I need to get admin.php. Okay, so if you are not able to see the like flag and the admin user and admin password, this is the flag which we get, and this is the username, and this is the password for the intranet, and then there is the maintenance, this is the username and password for the maintenance server, right? And I don't know about this is the DHCP. I think we cannot log in the DHCP because it is supposed to be local for the local user, right? So what I'm gonna do is, so if you look at it properly, you will see the comment out, like pseudocode for the comment in the comment, and it says that security module for including page template, right? So make sure request URI ends in .html and replace any character that are not following. So if there is replace any character replace any special character if it does not contain the small alphabet, large uppercase alphabet, and the integer, right? And filter out the index.php, filter out the admin.php from the page parameter, right? And it says that check template exist home.html, and I think that would be enough for us to understand. Okay, so let's see what we can do from here. If I just go over here and please supply password to get the file list. So we can't get the admin.php, right? And there is this filtration on the home page, like on the index page. Okay, so we want the admin.php, right? So if I just put admin.php, what should we get? We can bypass it from like as admin.php and something.html something. This is not mandatory that you put something as something. You can put something, like you can put anything else like this random string, and we'll get the final flag for the challenge, right? Okay, so we have, alright, so it is ended, and I'll show you why I put this particular payload, like not payload, but this is the bypass for the for getting the admin.php. So if you look it closely, look the pseudo code closely, you will see that it says that filter out the admin.php, right, for the security, and filter out the index.php, right? So if it get the admin.php, it will filter out. So what if we provide it as admin.php? So it will be filtered out, right? And if we provide admin.php, so it will be filtered, so the application filtered out this this particular area, and it will be evaluated as this. So I think I am able to convey my convey my thoughts properly. And why I put and equal to something dot php something dot html. So it says that check the template exists. So it says that check if the dot html file is exist or not. And there is and it also says that request URI, that the request URL that we are requesting should be end as .html. So if I just go over here and I don't put this and I just put this and with and alright, so we still get this. It is not mandatory that you put any like real .html like real file like index or home or anything else .html. It should be end at .html, right? Alright, and that's it. So we have successfully completed the VulnLtd CTF challenge provided by HACKINGHUB.io, and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough and picked up some new techniques along the way. Before I go, I want to apologize for the numerous ums and ahs and any unnecessary background noises you might have heard. So I'm still working on perfecting my video production skills, and so yeah, I appreciate your patience and understanding. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and put down your comment. If you have any question, feel free to drop any question or suggestion in the comments below, and I am always here to help out. And if there is any specific challenge or a topic you would like to me cover next, let me know. And thanks for watching, and that's it. Okay, bye.